All right, here we go. Light it up. Whoa, this looks cool. All right, so we're back for another day. We gotta get those lights that we started yesterday or last week if you're watching this video finished up. So last video we got them disassembled, cleaned, rewired. Now we have a white and a red light in there, and we're going to get them hung up on that wall over there in today's video. So let's go ahead and get the GP out of the way so we can work here in the garage. All right, so to start, we got this big 12-foot sheet of sheetrock, and we're gonna take our letters, which end up being about 11 feet wide when they're put together. And we're gonna lay the letters down on here and figure out where we need to drill holes to run the wiring from one letter to the next. So once we do that, we'll throw a quick coat of paint on here and slap it up on the wall, and then we'll start mounting our letters. So first, let's put the letters down on here, figure out where we need to drill some holes. Oh. Oh boy. Can you give me a paper towel? Not what I wanted to do, drip paint on my driveway. Okay, so now we've got this 12-foot piece of sheetrock all painted, and we have some wires pre-run into the holes that are gonna line up with the letters. So we're gonna hang this up on the wall very carefully, then we'll hang the letters over top and wire it up. And we're getting so close. Stay with me, we're almost there. I'm as excited as you are to see this hung up and lit up. So let's do it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. All right, and we got the letters up now at this point, and so now we just need to make a few connections here in between each letter to connect them together. And once we do that, put the covers on and we'll be able to turn them on and test it out. All right, letters are wired up. We're gonna put the covers on and light them up and see how they look. All right, here we go. Light it up. Whoa, this looks cool. Check this out. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Got my own mini dealership right here in the garage. And now let's switch them to red and see how they look. Oh, diffused. Oh, wow. Dude, this is too cool. Check this out. This is awesome. We gotta pull the GP in here and get some reflections of the GP, of these lights on the GP. Let's do that right now. So this is it. This is the light. I've been planning on this for months and we finally got it up. It is really cool. It exceeds all my expectations. And check this out. We made it so that you can switch it from white to red and have a really cool red mini sign. Maybe the only red mini sign in the world. I don't know. You tell me. But yeah, how cool is this? I really like the mixture. I wasn't sure if I'd like it as much, but man, that's cool. Okay, so the light's up. You can see it. It looks awesome. With the car parked in here, it looks super cool. There's just one more thing we need to do to really make this build complete. It's this. This is going to be a smart outlet, which we're gonna plug the lights into, which means I can control it with my voice, set it up with my home automation system, and I can have it turn on when I open the garage door or at other times. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in, and we'll get it configured with the app, and we'll test it out, and then we'll call this build complete. And we're gonna call this device the Mini Light. So there it is, the Mini Light. Plug it in. And now, if this works, we can control this with our phone, with our voice, with some other automation settings. So let's try it. Turn off. Oh, yes. Oh, this is great. Is this not awesome? Oh, all right, let's try it with our voice here. Hey, Google, turn on the Mini Light. Yes, it's now complete. We can voice control the Mini Light in the garage. One thing we can't do is change the colors because those are actual physical switches on the side, but still really cool that we now have a smart home set up on this Mini Light. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Tell me what you think. Do you like the lights? Do you think it was good idea to buy, bad idea to buy them? Are they too big? Are they too small? Let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, thanks for watching. A brief glimpse into the life of a Miniac that goes out and buys crazy things that are related to Mini like this. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did putting this up on the wall. Thanks to my friends that helped me out. If you have any questions about this light setup, let me know down below. I'll try and answer them. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And as always, when you're out there and you see other minis, don't forget to wave. I'll catch you in the next one.